ever heard about global warming and climate change?
Global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's climate since the pre-industrial period due to human activities, primarily fossil fuel burning, which increases heat-trapping greenhouse gas levels in the atmosphere. The term is used interchangeably with climate change. Climate change is a long-term change in the average weather that defines Earth's local, regional, and climates. Changes observed in Earth's climate since the early 20th century. Human-produced temperature increases. Scientists are observing the ground, air, and space, along with theoretical models to monitor and study past, present, and future climate change.
Do you know what the greenhouse effect is? It is the natural phenomenon that allows our planet to maintain the necessary conditions to harbor life. The atmosphere captures some of the sun's rays that reach the Earth's crust, keeping them inside to get an average temperature of 15 degrees Celsius. If the atmosphere did not catch any of these rays that bounce off the surface, the average temperature of the Earth would be minus 18 degrees Celsius. The atmosphere is composed of various natural gases, of which nitrogen, oxygen, and argon constitute 99.93%. However, there are other gases such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone which have a greater impact on the greenhouse effect. Moreover, artificial gases called chlorofluorocarbons are also present in the atmosphere.
This clip gave us additional understanding about greenhouse gases, which are the key factor of global warming. But do you know where they come from?
Burning will create carbon dioxide. When fossil fuels are burned, they release a large amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Methane is a gas that is emitted by bacteria that grows in oxygen-free places. It is produced naturally by livestock, agricultural practices, and the decay of organic waste in the solid waste landfills. Chlorofluorocarbon, or CFC, is very effective in heat-trapping molecules. CFCs was developed in the early 20th century and became widely used as refrigerants, producing refrigerators and freezers and used in the foam-blowing industry. Fortunately, the warming effect of these industrial chemicals may soon be leveling off since they have been banned. Nitrous oxide is a primary result of nitrogen-based fertilizers and also produced from the plastic industry by burning of fossil fuels in cars and power plants. Ozone acts as a greenhouse gas, absorbing some of the infrared energy emitted by the Earth. In cities, it is a very aggressive pollutant. The tropospheric ozone is the lowest layer of the atmosphere that touches the ground, and it is a component of air pollution and comes from hydrocarbon combustion. The contribution coming from the tropospheric ozone is therefore a consequence of road and air transportation. Before 18th century, when humans began to burn coal, oil, and gas, atmosphere contained about 280 ppm of carbon dioxide. Countless scientists, climate experts, and government officials agreed that 350 ppm is the safe level of carbon dioxide. Now, as the use of fossil fuels spread through the world, the amount of carbon dioxide in atmosphere is skyrocketing. We are now over 415 parts per million of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The world scientists confirmed that at the current rate, the world would cross 1.5 Celsius hotter in the year 2030. That's only a decade from now, well within the lifespan of most people alive today. 1.5 Celsius might not sound like a big increase in temperature, but it is the difference between the life and death for thousands of people. Climate change is the international level issue. Now the global community reacts on climate change mitigation. The Paris Agreement is the first truly global commitment to fight the climate crisis. This agreement aims to keep global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius and make every effort to go above 1.5 degrees Celsius. Thailand aims to reduce greenhouse gases by 20% to 25% in 2030. It will focus on reducing energy use from fossils, usage of energy that is environmentally friendly, eliminate forest encroachment, and make an integrated water management plan.
What we can do for climate change? So let's start from ourselves by reduce carbon footprint in daily life.
Reduce electrical usage by switching off and unplugging when you are not using it. By increasing 1 degree Celsius for your air condition to save 10% of electricity. Reduce water consumption by turning off the tap after use it. By taking a shower instead of immersion in the bathtub. Use the washing machine and dishwasher only when they are full of clothes or dishes to wash. Reduce energy consumption in transportation. When traveling a short distance, try walking, use cycling, or use public transportation. Explore alternatives to flying by plane if possible. Saving through our food consumption. Not to waste food by only preparing enough and healthy amount of food. By recycling organic waste. And by eating local and seasonal products like fruits and vegetables. Waste management practices. Recycle as much as possible. Reuse your shopping bag. Stop household burning of rubbish. And by choosing products that come with little packaging.
Our planet, our future. Let's fight climate change together.